Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce demo in Angular 21 multi-purpose e-commerce template. And friend, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel and you will enjoy the coming latest beautiful demo, dashboard, e-commerce and so on. So friends, here we go. Also, please like, share and subscribe my channel as well. So see the beautiful e-commerce template, Angular 21, the beautiful top section, see friends. Now you can see my account, login, sign up, mini card as well, beautiful nav, see the mega menu and other menus as well. And here you can see the hero slider, see guys, beautiful hero slider, just give it and scroll down, beautiful category section. Now scrolls to the trending, you see the beautiful hover effect, trending products, also the quick view section. Just with quick view, see guys, the beautiful quick view. See. Close and see the beautiful section. Hurry up, time limited offer, your banner, today, see shop by brand section, read the blog, follow Instagram, and the beautiful footer, see guys, the footer, see, and scroll to top. So guys, see the beautiful e-commerce demo in Angular 21. And guys, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my wonderful blog, therichpost.com, contact us page. You will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. Guys, also full-time freelance, you can hire me. And on my blog, you will get the thousands of e-commerce templates, and all are free of course as well. See, admin dashboards, and also the Angular, React.js, Vue.js, Python, and so on. So friends, after it, I will come with the beautiful demos as well. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.